What's new in food?
What's new in food? Well, we all know that plant-based proteins are taking over, right? They're on every menu. People are offering a plant-based option. Burger King's Whopper is certainly out there getting a lot of attention. But just behind this is lab-grown, cellular-based protein being created in labs across the country right now. In fact, so many people are predicting great things for lab-based protein that one recent study came out that said by the year 2030, so 11 years from now, that the need for cows and beef production will be down 70%. That's both on the protein side and the dairy side. Same thing with poultry, right? The thought process is that lab-grown is going to cost consumers half the amount of actual beef, actual chicken, actual pork, and so it's predicting massive changes for our industry. If you think there's absolutely no way that we could be down 70% production of beef, chicken, and pork in just a few short years, 11 to be a matter of fact, just take a look at what's happening in plant-based. 5 years ago, it wasn't even really the monster that it is today. Even 2 years ago, it wasn't the monster that it is today. When you combine plant-based with cellular biology and what they're doing in labs right now, I think you'd be pretty amazed at what could happen and what the potential is. So tell me what you think in the comments below, but it's coming our way. Lab-grown protein, that's what's new in food.